Achalugo. I am connected to the universe and all living things through my chi. I attract good things into my life. Onyekwe chi, yekwe. My thoughts and intentions create my reality. I focus on positivity and abundance. Agbanwe. I trust in the divine timing of Okeke Abiyama, my life's journey, and the fulfillment of my destined path with ease. Akwakuru. I am worthy of love, success, and happiness. Chinalumogu. My chi fights for me. Every challenge I face is an opportunity for growth and learning. Akanchawa. I radiate love and light wherever I go. I am grateful to Okeke and my spirit guides for all the blessings in my life, big and small. Ejimo Fonogu. I am aligned with my purpose and passion in life. Omema. I am deserving of all the good that comes into my life. Obato Bie. I release all fears and doubts, knowing that I am supported by the universe. Okechi. I am open to receiving divine guidance from my chi and intuition. Obioma. I forgive myself and others. I release any past resentments. Anya hununjo gahumma. Ugu yire onye oso. I am a magnet for miracles and synchronicities. Ife kulu, ife akudobea. I honor my body, mind, and spirit with nourishing practices. Nnukumauneti onwe ya. I am enough just as I am. Amuma mmiri. I choose to see the beauty in every moment. Anwana baby onatani. I release attachments to outcomes and trust in the journey. Gonye chiri yazere. I let go of comparison and embrace my unique path. Chiajo mohuru waroso. I am in tune with the rhythms of nature and the cycles of life. Akanri kwa akikbe akwa akanri. I attract positive, supportive relationships into my life. Ejidobi esike. I speak my truth with confidence, love, and compassion. Owuwa warowa buchim. I am the creator of my destiny. Isi Kendu. I am a channel for divine love and healing energy. Obatulo Ademma. I surrender to the flow of life, knowing that everything is unfolding perfectly. Amama Amasi Amasi. I am empowered to make choices that align with my highest good. Anyanwụ Ụtụtụ. I am a beacon of light in the world. Nwayọọ ka eji alacha ofe dị ọkụ. I release resistance and allow abundance to flow into my life. Otu osisi adịghị eme oke ọhịa. I am surrounded by love and protection. Ọgbara nkịtị okwu juru ọnụ. I trust in the wisdom of my higher self. Onye ụlọ ya na-agba ọkụ anaghị achụ oke. I let go of the past and embrace the present moment. Ọgaranya ngadanga. I am worthy of success and prosperity. Oke mmiri na-egbu ogwe. I choose thoughts that uplift and inspire me. Munachim so aga. I am attuned to the guidance of my spirit. Ojinkata ekummiri. I release all limitations and embrace my unlimited potential. Ebe onye ọsọ ruru, onye ije ga-eru ya. I am at peace with where I am on my journey. Ogbajiri igwe kpọọ ya nkụ. I am a co-creator with the universe. Acharugo. I radiate confidence, grace, and inner strength. Ekele dike na nke o mere, o mekwa ọzọ. I am grateful for the abundance that flows into my life. Agwụ adịghị mmadụ agwụ. I am connected to the infinite wisdom of the universe. Chineke m bụ nne ọma mụrụ ụmụ zọọ ụmụ. I am guided by the divine love in all that I do. Ewu nwụrụ n'ọgbaji, ọ bụghị agụ gburu ya. I release all that no longer serves me with ease and grace. Okeke ụwa. I trust in the divine plan for my life. Ijiriji ndụ. I am aligned with the highest vibration of life and joy. Ihe onye metara ọ bụrụ. I honor the sacredness of all beings. Omudo. I am a vessel for peace and harmony. Mberede yiri dike, mana mberede ka eji ama dike. I am resilient and capable of overcoming any obstacle. Ulideruwa. I am in harmony with the natural flow of life. Ebubedike. I attract opportunities that align with my soul's purpose. Ọ karịrị ihe asị na ọ bụ. I am worthy of love and belonging. Omelora. I am a source of inspiration and encouragement to others. Yagazie.